Good morning, children. Today, let's continue chapter 13 Kumbh Mela in Prayagraj. Children, this is the second video of this chapter, and today I'm going to start from page number 125. So, please come to the chapter. Children, today I'm starting from also. Okay, other part we have already read. Also, no one invites anyone to Kumbh Mela. People reach the site on their own. It is primarily a gathering of sages and saints, but common public and travelers, including foreign guests, turn out in huge numbers. The Mela is basically about saints, sadhus, and mystics who gather at Kumbh to deliberate on topics of public interest, including politics. Now, writer is saying that if you are not being invited by anyone, then you will have to go to Kumbh Mela and see there. Although it is primarily a gathering of sages and saints only, but also common people like travelers, foreigners, and many types of people like merchants, etc. etc. type of people go there. And the Mela is basically about saints, sadhus, and mystics who gather at Kumbh to deliberate on topics of public interest like politics, etc. The impression among the public is that it is too crowded and difficult to attend the gathering. You know, there are lot of peoples in Kumbh Mela, so it is very difficult to attend the gathering. Now the writer is saying that when I posted pictures from the Kumbh on my Facebook profile. Now the writer is saying that when she posted the pictures of Kumbh Mela on her Facebook profile, she got private messages within the first few hours with requests to share practical information about the Kumbh Mela. Now she is saying that when to visit Kumbh Mela. She is telling about the time of Kumbh Mela. Children, when the Kumbh Mela is held. The Prayagraj Kumbh Mela is held from January 15 to March 4, 2019. Okay. Now the writer is telling that Prayagraj Kumbh Mela is held from January 15 to March 4, 2019. However, there are 6 special dates: January 15, January 21, February 4, February 10, and February 19, and March 4, known as Shahi Snan. Shahi Snan means, children, special bath. Okay, these are the day that have a special religious meanings. This is when the akhadas are told as religious sects take part in procession and millions gather at the Sangam. Means lot of the people gather at the Sangam. If you wish to have a peaceful experience, don't go within a few days of the Shahi Snans. Means if you want to have a peaceful experience, means अगर आप वहाँ जाके आसानी से सब कुछ शांति से देखना चाहते हैं, है ना, और एकदम शांतिपूर्ण वातावरण में आप सारी चीज़ें करना चाहते हैं, स्नान है और मेला देखना है, ये सारी चीज़ें, तो आपको इस शाही स्नान के टाइम पे नहीं जाना चाहिए, क्योंकि उस टाइम पे बहुत ज़्यादा गैदरिंग रहती है, मीन्स बहुत ज़्यादा रश होता है, बहुत भीड़ होती है. Allow the crowd to get in and get out of the city on these big days and then visit the Mela. You will still get the experience minus the crowd. Visiting during the Shahi Snans. Now writer is telling that when you visit during the Shahi Snan, then what happened? Now she is saying that I was at Kumbh for the February 4, Moni Amavasya, Shahi Snan. Means on February 4, Moni Amavasya, Shahi Snan. This day she was there. We entered Prayagraj on February 2 and we faced a traffic jam to get to the Indraprastham tent city, but it was still livable. However, if we had tried to enter on the day of Shahi Snan, it would have been a logistical nightmare as there would be huge traffic restrictions in place to manage the flow of people. If you wish to enter on the day of Shahi Snan, be prepared to walk a lot on foot. Means now she is saying that कि वो जो टीम के साथ गई हुई थी, इस चैप्टर की जो राइटर है वो कहते हैं हम लोग 2 फरवरी को ही वहाँ पे एंटर कर गए थे और 4 फरवरी को मौनी अमावस्या थी, शाही स्नान था उस दिन, लेकिन हम उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा रश होने के कारण इलाहाबाद में यानी कि प्रयागराज में बहुत ज़्यादा भीड़ भाड़ होने के कारण ट्रैफिक रेस्ट्रिक्शंस लगे हुए थे, है ना, प्लेस टू प्लेस, है ना, जिससे कि पीपल को, क्राउड को मैनेज किया जा सके, है ना। तो वो कह रही हैं इफ़ यू विश टू एंटर ऑन द डे ऑफ शाही स्नान बी प्रिपेयर टू वॉक अ लॉट ऑफ ऑन फुट। अगर आपको शाही स्नान के दिन आपको एंट्री चाहिए तो आपको पहले से प्रिपेयर रहना पड़ेगा, तैयार रहना पड़ेगा, किसके लिए, पैदल चलने के लिए, है ना, क्योंकि उस दिन बहुत ज़्यादा भीड़ होती है। वी हाउएवर ट्राइड टू एग्जिट प्रयागराज ऑन द डे ऑफ शाही स्नान एज 4th February. It was a nightmare. We knew there would be a huge traffic jam if we tried to cross over via the city. So the organizers took a detour, which in the end turned out to be of 160 kilometers. It took us close to 14 hours to reach Lucknow from Prayagraj in a back-breaking bus journey. Hence, many recommendations. If you are planning to go during the Shahi Snan, get in 2 days before and leave after 2 days so that the crowd have dispersed. Now she is saying that वो कह रही हैं कि अगर आपको जाना है शाही स्नान में तो आपको 2 दिन पहले पहुंचना चाहिए और शाही स्नान के 2 दिन बाद वहां से निकलना चाहिए, जिससे कि जो क्राउड है, जो भीड़ भाड़ है, वो थोड़ी सी डिस्पर्स हो जाए, यानी कि घट जाए। विजिटिंग ड्यूरिंग द अदर डेज, जब आप अदर डेज में जाएंगे तो क्या होगा, इफ़ यू विजिट ड्यूरिंग द अदर डेज यू विल स्टिल फाइंड अ लॉट टू डू, आपको बहुत कुछ करने को वहाँ पे मिलेगा, अगर अदर डेज में भी जाते हैं तो भी बहुत कुछ देखने को मिलेगा। माइनस द इंसिन क्राउड, यू कैन ड्राइव इन टू द टेंट सिटीज विद रिलेटिव इज। इफ यू प्लान टू स्टे इन द सिटी एंड विजिट कुंभ, इट इज स्टिल feasible. Do take a look at the traffic plan offered by Mela authorities. Now let's know where to stay. We stayed at the Indraprastham tent city, which I believe is the costlier option. यानी कि वो कहाँ रुकी थी, इंद्रप्रस्थम टेंट सिटी में, जिसको माना जाता है कि बहुत ज़्यादा कॉस्टली है, यानी कि बहुत ज़्यादा महंगा है वो प्लेस जहाँ पे वो रुकी थी। इट इज़ ऑल्सो फार फ्रॉम द मेला बट दे हैव अ रिक्शास टू ply guests from the tents to the nearest pontoon bridges, 19 in this case. वो कह रहे हैं थोड़ा सा दूर तो था मेला से, लेकिन वहाँ से रिक्शा विक्शा का आने जाने का प्रबंध वो लोग करा देते हैं, जिससे कि लोग आसानी से स्नान कर सकें। ऑन ऑर्डिनरी डेज स्टेइंग इन द सिटी is also a good idea. You can visit the Mela grounds during the day and get away to a relatively quiet place afterwards. For truly adventurous souls, there are public accommodations that can be booked at the site for 100 to 200 rupees only. Children, now today's class is over and tomorrow I will start from page number 127. Thank you, children.